This is Hachzek Mussar Yomi, day 59, as we continue learning Peleh Yoeitz about Eretz Yisroel, page 137 in the article edition. The Peleh Yoeitz now discusses raising money, particularly to help people move to Eretz Yisroel. It's true. It seems that it's incorrect. Those who go from city to city, they put pressure on the people and help to get money to relocate people to Eretz Yisroel. When people murmur and people are upset afterwards, who says this is what they should do? They should put pressure on others. What are you doing? You want to go to Eretz Yisrael? That's gewaltig. But why do I have to pay for it? Hare, says the Peleh Yoeitz. Kam gvirim, kam rabbanim, goni olam. There are many gvirim, many wealthy people. Merni talmidei chachamim, menuchasim kavod b'chotzaretz, live in chotzaretz. So why are we raising money for people to go to Eretz Yisrael? Is this mitzvah any greater than the other mitzvah? All is said and done. One who can afford this mitzvah is not required to go collecting money for it. It's true. Las's mitzvah so you tried. You want to do a mitzvah. You did whatever you can and you didn't do it. It's as if you did it. And therefore, if people don't have the means to go to Eretz Yisrael, there's no reason why we should be collecting money for them. Now, if it's a person that's life of affliction, Hashem has afflicted him, he's deprived, and he's many problems. It's true. Says the Peleh Yoeitz. It's true. Such a person, it could be going to Eretz Yisrael as a retiel makasai. It's putting a band-aid on his wound. It's helping him. But if not for such an extreme case, in a regular scenario, it would seem it's not appropriate to do. There's no place to have compassion on them. But says the Peleh Yoeitz, we see people are not doing this. There's one from a city who's inspired to go to Eretz Yisrael, and his heart is pushing him. So that's a sign. So says the Peleh Yoeitz, it's true. If in mass people were going and flocking and we're trying to raise money for them, it's true, that wouldn't be appropriate. But when we find that it's a one person, it's a second person, singular people, that must be a sign, says the Peleh Yoeitz, that this is the right thing for them to do. Shemayim Zachalai, this is a sign that Hashem has given him this chos. And the Gemara says that a person's feet are his guarantor, is the ater, the mitbayi taman mavilun yaseh, where Hashem is summoning him, that's where his feet lead him. But then, we should help him to fulfill the will of his Father in heaven. So now that we understand that there are unique cases that we should be helping, says the Peleh Yoeitz. Say the Paiskim Shulchan Aruch Kima Shamru Be'etzem Ani Erech HaKodim Hu Ani Eretz Yisrael. It's true that Be'etzem, ostensibly your personal poor people in your city comes before everyone else. That refers, says the Shulchan Aruch, what's your city? Ani Eretz Yisrael. Kimanikram Ani Erecha Be'emes. So those who are called the name of your city. Ve'im Yeshvim Sham Kitan Golim B'Leim, and helping these people who are like helping people like a chicken in the coop. There's nothing they could do. There's no way they can make money. There's no one that's giving them money. They name to luyais, and their eyes are looking al yeshich chotzlar. It's been leigris ladas hashlom kerveim, so they can learn about their relatives. So they can get packages to revive their souls. And if someone writes a letter to them and you send them a package, you're doing an incredible tzedakah. As much as you're able to give them. Lemitzah Rabbi Yechashiv is considered a big mitzvah. V'toiv la'gever, And go to the person when he writes a letter to a different city, he should include anyone in that city and tell the person you're writing to how people are. Will happen. Other people will know. Other relatives doing. And of course, this level of communication doesn't exist anymore. It's not pshat. If you don't write a letter to someone in Eretz Yisroel, he's not going to know what's going on. But we see the sensitivity that when someone is cut off and someone needs extra, that once he's doing it, it's upon everyone else to help, to support, and do everything in their power to make that person have what he needs in all forms of the word.